guys, lots of toys here. I'm so glad you're with me. We're going to be playing with a new toy today. It's called the Quinjet Moto Launcher by Hot Wheels. We're taking our Quinjet out on their runway today to see how it works. First up, press to open, then roll the motorbike right inside, and it's ready for takeoff. Let's take a closer look at this Quinjet from all angles. The back of the jet reveals armor plates as well as engines, twin engines. The front is equipped with lots of windows. Pull the back lever to launch the moto.
We're back with another toy. This time it's a fighter jet where Iron Man goes, and you can see he comes out through here. That's it, and it also has his motorcycle.
This collection is part of Avengers Age of Ultron. Launch motos and cars into action. It includes Iron Man and a moto launcher.
It ranges 4 and up.
Soar through the skies and make a swift landing to launch Iron Man into a high-speed action adventure. This jet works with any Hot Wheels track, and it launches cars as well. Any Hot Wheel cars?
Let's open it up, kids, and see what we got. We got the fun jet.
And also the moto that includes Iron Man. It's actually a motorcycle. Iron Man rides the moto, and he is not removable. Open the front door and back up Iron Man into the launcher. Right in the fighter jet. And then pull to launch.
Hello guys, I'm Iron Man. This is my fighter jet. My motorcycle goes in here.
Well, that's it for us, guys. Thanks for watching. It's been so much fun having you along. Please subscribe to our channel and watch more videos. Also, check out more videos by clicking on our channel on the link provided above. Bye, everybody.